Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your phone number on the Bitget application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget crypto trading app on your smartphone. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page. Now, in order to add your phone number, tap on the account icon at the top left corner and then tap on the arrow button alongside your username. This will then take you into your profile page. Now tap on security and you will see various security options, including the option to add your phone number. Tap on the mobile number option and now you can choose your country code from the drop-down menu and enter your phone number within the given box. Once you enter your phone number, tap on the send code button and you will receive a 6-digit verification code within your SMS. Just check your SMS and once you find the code, you can enter it within the given box. Finally, tap on the submit button and your phone number will be added as your verification method. If you used your phone number to create your account, then this will already be your active verification method and you will have the option to add an email address. You may be required to also verify your identity through your original sign-up method when you add your phone number. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your phone number onto your account on the Bitget crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.